Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy F54. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now click install. Now you can click open. And now click here to skip introduction, and then you can click open permissions and click here to allow this app to appear on top, then click back, and now you can click start. And here is your Chat GPT widget, and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.